Hello, you're watching ERi-TV viewers. Welcome to our news English broadcast. I'm Ham Barkhat. Let's first look at the top stories that are making headlines today. 4 patients have been diagnosed with positive for COVID-19. Animal vaccination campaign in Southern Red Sea and Southern regions. First case of Ebola-like Marburg virus detected. More than 60 killed in Algerian wildfire. Four patients have been diagnosed with positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers in Gashbarka in central regions. Out of this, 3 patients are from quarantine centers in Hajar 2, Adibara 1, Gashbarka region. The last patient is from quarantine center in Asmara central region. On the other hand, 16 patients have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Ansaba 12 and Central 4 regions have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 6,514, while the number of deaths stands at 36. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has risen to 6,593. Ministry of Health, Asmara, 11 August 2021. About 100 livestock have been vaccinated various diseases through a vaccination campaign conducted in the Southern Red Sea region and Southern regions, stating that over 70,000 that are over 4 years old livestock were vaccinated in the 25 administrative areas of the Southern Red Sea region. Mr. Habtemaryam Abraham, head of animal resources in the region, commended public and administrations for their strong cooperation. Similarly, vaccination campaign was conducted in My Aini subzone, Southern region, from 28 July to 8 August. Speaking to ERINA, Mr. Walda Abkifle, head of animal resources, said that over 23 livestock were vaccinated against various diseases, including those prevalent during the rainy season. Livestock owners, on their part, underlining the significance of the vaccination program in ensuring animal health, expressed readiness to play due role to the success of their program. Students of the College of Medicine and Health Science yesterday, 10 August, voluntarily donated 99 blood to augment the National Blood Transfusion Center, indicating that because of their knowledge on the significance of blood donation, the students have been voluntarily donating blood individually. Nurse Alam Tahai Tasfazgi from Center commended the students for the initiative they undertook collectively, indicating that awareness raising campaigns being conducted are registering encouraging outcome. Dr. Yemane Siyum, Dean of the College of Medicine and Health Science, underscored the significant importance of voluntary donation. The students on their part expressed readiness to strengthen voluntary donation by becoming members of the Association of Voluntary Donors. We'll be back with more international news after the short break. A laboratory in Guinea confirms the case after patient sought medical attention and died. The first case of Marburg virus has been confirmed in West Africa after a man died of the hemorrhagic fever disease in Guinea. The virus, which belongs to the family as Ebola, spreads from human to human through bodily fluids and can have a fatality rate of up to 88%. Symptoms include a high fever and muscle pain, but some patients later suffer bleeding from their eyes and ears. After the male patient sought treatment and died, the case was confirmed by a laboratory in Guinea and again by the Institut Pasteur in nearby Senegal. Contact tracing underway, according to the World Health Organization. Firefighters troops and civilian volunteers battled blazes in force across northern Algeria on Wednesday as the country reeled at the death toll of at least 65 people in the latest wildfires to hit the Mediterranean. Soldiers deployed to back the overstretched emergency services tackled the rush of more than 50 that broke out on Tuesday, accounted for 28 of those killed, state television reported. The authorities say they suspect widespread arson after so many fires erupted in such a short space of time. They have announced several arrests, but have yet to elaborate on the identity or suspected motives of those detained. Images of trapped villagers terrified, livestock and forested hillsides reduced to blackened stumps were shared on social media, many of them accompanied by pleas for help. A total of 69 separate wildfires remained active on Wednesday, spread across 17 provinces. That was our news for the night. We conclude with a recap of the headlines. 4 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19. Animal vaccination campaign in southern Red Sea and southern regions. First case of Ebola-like Marburg virus detected. More than 60 killed in Algerian wildfires. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.